I think up there where the tables are. That was about to pass 49 right now.
10-9?
Yeah, you may not have time. They're about to pass 49.
Yeah, I think I see them already. Hey, I'm fixing to get in on it. We're at Sugar Hill. Sugar Hill.
Alright, I'll be there. I'll meet y'all.
Alright, bye. $25, I'm hopping in at Sugar Hill. Be advised, 2 units ahead of me. I'll keep you posted. It's an older Silverado, so I'm guessing it's topped out at 100. I'm gaining on it at 120. Coming up to I-30 now.
I mean, I want to just put Ashdown, I'm sure that coal is taking over.
I'm on the phone with Ashdown. Do you want me to pass it?
Yeah, 10-4.
We're 30 westbound. Taking primary.
Take primary.
Finally clearing like this, I think have it.
Going under Richmond now. I'm trying, like.
They going under Richmond?
10-4. 59 southbound now.
Get a DPS guy with you.
Yeah, he's behind me.
Got contact with him.
10-9.
You got contact with him, we can let him take over the protection.
I don't have contact. Hope contact him.
If he can't take over, if our communication isn't good, if you guys have to shot the TBI, go ahead and do it.
Yeah, I want to keep trying until he can take over. Too shallow. Car ahead. cars. TBI.
Or correct.
948.
Do you hear me? No. I'm alone. You better fucking be. Y'all got cuts ready? That's your hand. God dang. I got one. Okay. No. Yeah, I do. Someone better put that crap up. I don't want that. You know how trouble you just called? It's the dumbest thing you could have done. Well, dude, you made me get dirty. What do you do? You made me get dirty too. So what? Pants? Pretty wall you have. What is it, bro? You pick that up? No. I think you would not let me TBI. I know I'm behind you. When you got there moving. My bad. Y'all get the dope through? Someone picked it up. Somebody picked the dope in. It's 25 hope we ran off, but we're 15. And 15. How old are you? You literally have cigarettes? Huh? Why are you throwing cigarettes? No, you're Ashdown. Yeah. What up? We chased them all the way through. Heck yeah. Whose car was it? Is it yours? That's your truck? Okay. Good talk. Hey, did you hear them? They're trying to let you take back over primary. Did you ever get to that? Okay. I figured there was going to be a long delay. He threw something right here. Someone picked it up as we were running. Yeah, heck yeah. Gosh dang it, you turd.